Before you start up a YouTube channel in 2025, I just want you to watch this, or you are at that stage or that point on YouTube that you feel like giving up, you feel like nothing is going, you feel like your channel is dead in some way. Please just watch this before you quit. And if you're just starting out, just make sure you try your best to pay attention. So the number one thing I need you to bear at the back of your mind is that YouTube is not easy. Yes, no matter how anybody might try to paint it or make it sound, YouTube is not easy, and at the same time is not hard. If only you know the right things to do, or if only you know the right videos to upload, or if only you know who your audience are. And basically I am going to be explaining this to you right now. So the first thing I will tell anybody starting up a YouTube channel today is you have to take it like a job. This is the mistake that some of us are making. Just like the way you handle your regular 9 to 5 job, YouTube platform actually wants you to take YouTube that way. That is, invest your time. That is, take it like something that is very, very important. This is one of the key that has helped most of all these successful YouTubers you know today. Another thing is, we all know this popular YouTuber, in fact, the most famous YouTuber in the world, Mr. Beast. During one of his interview that I watched, Mr. Beast said that it took him over a year to hit 1,000 subscribers. So this particular statement now is for those of you out there that feel that YouTube is too hard and I want to quit. Do not quit. Okay. Now back to my point. Take YouTube as a business. Take YouTube like your 9 to 5 job, and you will thank me later. The thing is, most of us just come up here, we just do YouTube, like maybe try your luck something, and if the thing doesn't work out, we back off immediately. No. So the second thing is, try your best to set up and optimize your YouTube channel. This is one mistake that a lot of new YouTubers and small YouTubers make, and along the line it affects them. Setting up and optimizing your YouTube channel is not hard. Yes, just for you to follow the basic procedure, and I won't be telling you that in this video. This is a video that you can always go to watch. I explain in details what you need to do and how you can set up your YouTube channel in a way that the algorithm will be able to know, okay, this is Mr. Sam's YouTube channel, and this is what this channel is going to be all about, and these are the kind of audience we're supposed to show his videos to. This is the essence of setting up and optimizing your YouTube channel. Now, the third advice that I am going to give you, this advice, I'm not really sure if you're going to be seeing it often on YouTube here. See, if you're starting up your channel and you've done a lot of videos down, or you have some videos at heart, I'm going to advise you to pause, like keep those videos one side. Now, what do you need to do? Try your best, take your time to study what is working out in your niche. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys a very good example. I was watching a banker on YouTube. She's actually a banker, yeah. So she said before she started her YouTube channel, she did close to 10 videos down. Like, she was literally prepared. Once my channel is created, I'm going to start pushing these videos, which she did. She posted those 10 videos, like I think twice every week, and at the end of the day, after the 10 videos, the highest view she got from one of the video was just 100, 120 views, which is very, very sad. Like, if it is some people, they are going to literally give up, because these videos, she paid editors, she paid money to design her thumbnails. Like, she paid a lot of money to get those videos down, even straight to her YouTube channel. But she said something, due to the fact that she really wants to do this YouTube, because she have heard from a lot of creators that YouTube pays. She decided that she's going to do this YouTube in another form. That was when the idea of coming down to study what is working out in your niche, that is what is working out and what is not. So she decided to pick close to 4 to 5 different people talking about money making, because that is the niche she wants to go into. So she discovered channels like Nisha and about 3 to 4 different channels, and she watched them. She noticed that most of the time these people post similar videos. Like, After studying it, then she decided to try out, that is, she decided to implement what she discovered on her channel. She posted her first ever video. Under 2 weeks, 18,000 views. Her second video went viral, hit over 400,000 views. Her third video, 10k views, and that is how it has. In less than 6 months, she hit over 100,000 subscribers. This is just the logic. So if you're starting up a YouTube channel, do not just jump and start, oh, I have videos down. Try to understand what is working and what is not. The era of, okay, you come on, yes, I know that sometimes luck might just hit you, and but most of the time, that is if the luck is not there. Like we now, we do not experience the luck. These are the same logic I also put through on my lifestyle channel. This is the same logic I used on my lifestyle channel, and in less than 2 months, I am monetized already. Very soon, I'll start earning. Yeah, so try your best to understand what is working in your niche. Get close to 6 different channels that is doing that thing you're doing. Watch them, you will get ideas. Do not always focus on the channels doing so great. You can see small channel with like 4,000 subscribers, but it's still pulling the view. Watch that channel. If you're able to do this thing, you're going to be happy, like you're going to be glad that you come across this video, and you will thank me later. So tip number 4 is try your best to know your audience. I know this is one of the hardest part of it, or how can you be able to know your audience? I just started in fact, I don't even have up to 3 subscribers. How do I know my audience? At this point, what you need to do is the kind of video you are uploading. Try to picture the audience in your head. Now, if you say I want to be posting vlog, like mom vlog, get ready with me kind of videos, deep down you know the kind of people you want to attract. So you just have to try your best to come up with good, relatable, quality videos. Quality video doesn't mean you should go and rent DJ Osmo Pocket 3 camera, no, or go and buy the biggest iPhone. Even with your Android, you can still do it. Okay, now as time goes on, once you are being able to bring out relatable, good, valuable content, you see, valuable content, nothing YouTube love the most, reach valuable content, because they believe that people come here to spend data to watch videos, and at the end of the day, you're going to make money off those videos. So what do they want you to do? They want you to bring out valuable content. Valuable content is content that can actually inspire, educate somebody. If it is comedy, let your comedy make me laugh. If you're doing emotional videos, oh, let me feel the emotion. If you're doing a video that is going to make me cry, let me cry. All these things are valuable content. So try your best to make sure you create valuable content. By doing it this way, you're definitely going to get your audience, and once you get your audience, try to deliver videos that your audience are interested in. It's going to really help you. And each video you want to upload, try to put yourself in the shoe of your viewers. So the fifth point is try your best to make use of YouTube inbuilt features, and do not make the mistake of doing YouTube the wrong way. Yes, doing YouTube the wrong way. In what extent? If you are in to post long form video, do not start your channel with shorts. It's actually going to limit your growth. I won't say it's going to harm or destroy your channel, no, but it's going to slow your growth. This was exactly what I passed through on this my channel. I started off from posting shorts, and I know how difficult. In fact, it took me to the point of deleting this my channel, but it was just patience and consistency. That is, I know why I came here. So that was literally what kept me. So I wouldn't want you to be in that position. But if you say, oh, it's short, I want to post, because right now I said there is a new update that short revenue is going to soon be like long form revenue. So if you want to focus on short, focus on short. But if you're in here for the bag, for longer videos, start your channel with long form content. No matter the low views you'll be getting, they are going to peak. Yeah. One thing is, a lot of us started this way, and you can also check back this video from the point where I told you all that it took Mr. Beast a whole 1 year to get to his 1,000 subscriber, which is actually very crazy. And today he's the biggest, most popular YouTuber in the world. Yeah. Now, the second thing, which is making use of the YouTube inbuilt features, is features like the playlist, end screen, and YouTube cards. Try to understand them and use them. These tools help for video recommendation. It's actually going to really, really help you. They are the tools that YouTube has put in our YouTube studio. So what do we need to use it and do? We need to use it the right way. Do not just create it and use it the right way. I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why I will be doing it this way. If you need a video about this particular thing that I just talked about, the features are playlist, end screen, and YouTube cards. If you know that you don't know them or you don't know how to use them in every video you upload, because the thing is most of us just create playlist and dump it. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to put it into action. You have to put it into work. So if you don't know how to do it at all, this is a video you can watch, or simply drop it in the comment section. Preset, I need the video on playlist, end screen, and YouTube card. I'll forward it to you. That video is going to guide you on how to create it and how to be using it on your channel. Okay. So I think we're going to be stopping here. And if there be need for part 2 of this video, I'll be dropping it tomorrow for you guys. So if you watch to this extent and you find it helpful in any way, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that I can get to a lot of other creators. Always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.